G'day guys, this video will be a sneak peek to another vibrations tutorial that I've got. This particular tutorial is on continuous systems, and in particular we're analyzing the motion of a rope using the wave equation. When we're ready, we just click begin, and then we're asked a particular question, in this case to find the wave speed. I'm going to enter in a value which is clearly wrong just to illustrate how this works. I click next, and then I'm given some feedback on what I can do. If I get it wrong again, then I should be given a little bit more feedback to understand how I can improve. And the tutorial keeps going on like this all the way through. By the end of this tutorial, I hope to teach you how to use the one-dimensional wave equations, how to find natural frequencies, and how to find mode shapes. Just so you know, this tutorial is completely free and available in the description below, along with all other vibrations tutorials that I've got. I hope you like it. Cheers.